What is the difference between copy and content writing? Copywriters and content writers play different roles. Both are important and should be part of every business marketing strategy. The most significant difference between the two lies in their purpose. Copywriting will sell your product or service, whereas content writers subtly tell your audience what you do through valuable content. Let's start with some examples. Here is a piece of content from the Out in the Clouds blog. 4 really easy ways to be innovative in the workplace. Here you can see that it captures a voice and tone of the business. It's relevant to the service and product that they're selling and goes into detail. There's no restriction on words and can be easily shared across social media. And here is a piece of copy. This features on the Salesforce page within the Out in the Clouds website. We're trying to reinforce what Out in the Clouds do, give clear call to actions, and use minimal words and capture the essence of what Salesforce is so the reader clearly understands. A landing page about a new service or product, that's copy. A blog about industry trends, that's content. So what are the main differences to remember? If you're a content writer, you're producing blog posts, social media, video scripts, updating and editing content. If you're a copywriter, you're writing copy for ads, product descriptions, copy for landing pages, with call to actions on websites also included. The goal for the two are different. Your copy should aim to persuade your viewer, listener, or reader to act. For example, to buy a product or adopt a different viewpoint. Basically, you want to use your copy to increase conversion and increase revenue. Whereas the purpose of content is to entertain, inspire, educate, and to convince, to get more likes, shares, and add value to your business. Great copy is strategic and captures the business's voice. It has a clear call to action and is communicated with a small number of words. Great content builds and strengthens the personality of your business or you, the writer. It's fluid and can take many shapes or forms. And importantly, the selling mindset is different for a copywriter. As a copywriter, you need to have a positive attitude when it comes to selling. That means you don't care about pushing a product or knowing that there's value in the copy that you write. But don't forget to use empathy, engagement, and personality. Otherwise, you'll come across as a car salesman. So as you can see, both are tremendous in value and both are essential to building meaningful communication and connection with your customers.